Okay, we are going to start question number 7. It is given that integration from a to 2a 1 over 4 exponential of 2x times 2 minus exponential of negative x with respect to dx is equals to 50, where a is the positive constant. Show that a is equals to 1 over 4 ln of 200 plus exponential of a. So first we apply the integration. So we have the integration from a to 2a 1 over 4 exponential of 2x times 2 is 2 exponential of 2x exponential of 2x times exponential of negative x is exponential of x with respect to dx, and this one is equals to 50. Further solving, we will have limit from a to 2a, and this one is 1 over 4 2 times exponential of 2x plus exponential of x with respect to dx, which is equals to 50. Okay, apply the integration first. So 1 over 4 integration of 2 times exponential of 2x is exponential of 2x over 2 plus integration of exponential x is remains same, limit from a to 2a bracket close, and this one is equals to 50. So this one will be cancelled out and we will have 1 over 4. Apply the upper limit. So exponential of 2x means 2 times 2a plus exponential of x means exponential of 2a minus, apply the lower limit, which is exponential of 2x means exponential of 2a plus exponential of x means exponential of a bracket close, and this one is equals to 50. Further solving, we will have exponential of 4a plus exponential of 2a minus exponential of 2a minus exponential of a is equals to 50 times 4. So we will have exponential of 4a minus exponential of a is equals to 200, because this one will be cancelled out. We need to prove that a is equals to 1 over 4 ln of 200 plus exponential of a. So we can write it exponential of 4a is equals to 200 plus exponential of a, taking ln both sides. So we will have 4a ln of e is equals to ln of 200 plus exponential of e. So 4 will be switched on the right side. So we will have a, and exponential of e is 1. So a is equals to the ln of 200 plus exponential of a over 4. So we have a is equals to the ln of 200 plus exponential of a over 4. Part B, show by calculation that value of a lies between 1.0 and 1.5. So we have a is equals to 1 over 4 ln of 200 plus exponential of a. Say it f of a. So if a lies between 1.0 to 1.5, so first we consider a is equals to 1. So we will have f of a, which is equals to 1 over 4 ln of 200 plus exponential of a. Plugging a is equal to 1, we will have f of 1, and this one is equals to 1 over 4 ln of 200 plus exponential of 1. So further solving, we will have 1 over 4 ln of 200 plus exponential value is equals to 2.718, and this one is equals to 1 over 4 ln of 200 2.718. So we have f of 1 is equals to the 1 over 4, and ln of 202.718 is equals to the 5.3181, which is equals to the 1.32795, which is equals to f of 1. So this value is greater than 1.0 and less than 1.5. Now plug a is equals to 1.5. So f of a which is equals to the 1 over 4 ln of 200 plus exponential of a, and this one is equals to f of 1.5, which is equals to 1 over 4 ln of 200 plus exponential of 1.5, and this one is equals to 1 over 4 ln of 200 plus exponential of 1.5 is equals to the 4.482. So this one is 1 over 4 ln of 204.482, which is equals to the 1 over 4 of 5.32097, which is equals to the 1.33024. This is f of 1.5. So you can see that f of 1 and f of 1.5 is 1.32 and 1.33. So this one is less than 1.5 and this one is greater than 1.0. So we can say that a should be less than 1.5 and greater than 1.0. Part C, use an iterative formula based on the equation of 7a to find the value of a correct to the 4 significant figure. Give result of each iteration to 6 significant figure. So we have the equation of a, which is equals to the 1 over 4 ln of 200 plus exponential of a. And in iterative form, it can be written as a of n plus 1, which is equals to 1 over 4 ln of 200 plus exponential of a n. First, we consider a1, which is equals to 1. We start from this value 1. So a, and in this case, n is equals to 1. So a n plus 1 is equals to 2, which is equals to 1 over 4 ln of 200 plus exponential of a n. A n means a1, and a1 is equals to 1. So exponential of 1. And this one is equals to the 1.32795. So this one is a2. Now n is equals to 2, so a2 we just calculated, which is 1.32795. so a n plus 1 means 2 plus 1, which is 3, and this one is equals to 1 over 4 ln of 200 plus exponential of a n, and in this case n is 2, so a2, so exponential of a2 is exponential of 1.32795, and this one is equals to the 1.32959. This one is a3. Now n is equals to 3, so a3 we just calculated, which is 1.32959. So a4 is equals to the 1 over 4 ln of 200 plus exponential of a3, which is 1.32959, and this one is equals to the 1.32960, which is a4. Now n is equals to the 4, so a4 is equals to, we just calculated, which is 1.32960, and a5 is equals to 1 over 4 ln of 200 plus exponential of a4, so exponential of 1.32960, and this one is equals to the 1.32960 also. So this one is a5. You can see that both values are same, so we do not need to move further. So we can say that a is equals to 1.32960, and we need to express a in the 4 significant figure. So we can write it, a is equals to 1.330 in 4 significant figure.